disaster, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. This is not gonna work. I think I'll need to put up my chain and see if it's better. Man. Okay, a little bit better. Gonna take out some more snow.
Thanks.
Hey, how are you?
On my way.
Sorry?
I don't see your list.
Oh, I don't speak French.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
I'm almost out. Very close.
You're driving the snow?
A little bit, yes.
Okay, do you want us to push you?
I have snow chain, so it's getting out soon.
So you're
It
okay?
should be good, yeah.
Okay. Okay, we've got to close the gate.
Okay, okay.
Not the street.
This is not open?
No, this is not open.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing over here.
Okay. I'm finally out, also getting kicked out right now because you're not supposed to be here. The mud flap came out, not very good. I have an extra plug, let's see if this works. And well, it's kind of staying there, it should be okay. I'm back to the entrance and the construction guys don't seem to be here. I think what I'm gonna do is sneak back in and then close the gate, make it look like that it's closed. Definitely not recommended. I'm doing at my own risk. Off I go. I'm gonna try to make a nice ramp here with my snow chain on the tires right now. I should be able to make this. Once I'm up, I'm gonna probably see what's up there. Okay, this is very bad. This is way too high. Oh my god. Well. Look what I'm getting myself into.
A few moments later.
Ah, pourquoi tu voulais aller par là? Va pas par là, là. Non,
Sorry, I don't understand.
c'est le snowmobile.
Snowmobile?
Oui.
Oh, okay.
Pas car.
Ah,
Et la gate est close.
ok.
T'es pas supposé de passer, là.
Do you have a cable for pool?
Ah, t'as une place? Ouais, allez. T'as-tu, là?
Yeah.
Ben là.
Merci.
Turn.
Yeah.
Go. gonna go in the bush, ain't
Outside.
outside.
Yeah. I'm totally causing trouble. This is really bad. What I did was undoubtedly not cool. I got way too excited, hoping to find a cool view, and made some bad decisions. Luckily the guy was very nice, otherwise I'll probably be stuck here for many more hours. Yep, won't be doing that again. Now I just have to find another place to settle for the night. It looks like all the mountains here are still blocked by snow, and I don't think I'll be able to spend a night on any mountain today. So I think I'm gonna just find a empty spot near the city or something like that, and just gonna make my steak for dinner. I found a spot here that is clear of snow and it's literally right next to the road. This should be a okay spot to camp for the night. Yeah, gonna just stay here for the night and then wake up early in the morning for a hike. Let's get some dinner going. Okay, I think the steaks are getting a little bit overcooked. Yep, totally overcooked. Still very good. The potatoes are also very nice. Well, today wasn't really successful. Couldn't make it out to the spot that I wanted. But lesson learned, don't go to places that you are not supposed to. Yeah, gonna go to bed. Hopefully tomorrow's hike will be a good one. I'm making up all of these. It is -14 this morning. I'm not excited about the temperature. The car used about 15% energy and I kept it at 18 degrees Celsius. It used a little bit more energy than usual, probably 5% more, but still not bad. Pretty good. I think I slept for 6 hours, so 15% for 6 hours in under 15 degrees Celsius. Good enough. I have a hiking checklist and I use this to make sure for every hike I have everything I needed. I'll share that in the description if you guys are interested. Look at this view, man. I could have stayed here for the whole night. I gotta be smarter next time. Looks like we have a sprinter here. They probably stayed there for the night. I can hear the heat running. What a view already. I think that's where I'm going. There are two tiny people right there. This concludes this video. You guys out there, stay safe and stay adventurous. See you in the next video.